In this demo, I'm going to show you how to turn on Instant Data File Initialization and validate that it's turned on successfully. First thing I'm going to do is run some code and show that it's currently turned off. And this is the way it comes out of the box by default. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn on a couple of trace flags and create a database in the same connection. And we should see some messages in the error log about what happened when the database files were initialized. So let me open up the error logs here. And you can see that the MDF, or primary data file, was zeroed out, and the log file was also zeroed out. Instant Data File Initialization skips the zeroing on data files. So after we turn it on, we're going to run this test again, and we shouldn't see any messages related to zeroing out of the data files. So let's close this, and now we'll go and turn on the permission. So to do this, we go Start, Administrative Tools, Local Security Policy, and then in the local policies, scroll down and find Perform Volume Maintenance Tasks. What I'm going to do is I'm going to add the local service account group to this permission here. I guess it's the user, right? Okay, so there is my local group, and now it's added to that policy. What we have to do now is restart the instance in order for it to take effect. Okay, so my instance should be back up now, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to drop the database that I created so I can create it again, and then I'll just run this code again, refresh the error log node, and open this up again, and you can see where I set the trace flag, and now you can see there's no message about zeroing of data files. So we've successfully turned it on. Thanks for watching.